What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So there's been 3 cheap dividend stocks that I've been loading up on, and I'm going to continue to load up on. I'm very excited for the dividend hikes. I'm excited for the potential growth of these dividend stocks, and one of them is a REIT. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these 3 cheap dividend stocks out right now. So the first one I want to go over is VICI Properties. That's sitting at $28.58. It's a real estate investment trust, and it's very specialized. I would consider it a sin stock. It's a REIT for many casinos, and the nice thing is its revenue and dividend history has been phenomenal. I've done numerous videos on them. They are expanding. They are getting bigger. And there's some recent news about them as well. So I'll go over that as well. And the exciting recent news is, of course, they're experiential real estate investment trust, just like EPR Properties. And they announced that they are going to require real estate assets of 38 bowling and entertainment centers. So that's very exciting. And what that brings to the table is, with these guys as a REIT, remember 90% of what they make, okay, goes back to investors. So the one thing about REITs that people like doing is putting them in their IRAs, because again, when you report income for a REIT, you have to report that as actual income. One thing I like about REITs versus owning real estate, maybe in the future I will own real estate, is guess what? I'm not scrubbing toilets. These guys are doing the work for me, and I'm investing in them, and I believe in them. So that's what I like about VICI Properties. And in Latin, it's wiki, actually. So I always joke around with many investors. I sometimes call it wiki by accident because I've taken Latin, 3 years in high school and 2 semesters worth in college. So that's one thing that I always say with wiki properties. So very excited to invest and reinvest dividends, and have my high yielders like TSLY and NVDY buy VICI Properties. So we'll go over the revenue trends and dividend history. So the revenue has been very solid. So check this out. 2017, this is annually in millions US dollars, 187, 2018, 897, 2019, 894, 2020, 1,225, 2021, 1,509, and 2022, 2,600. So what I like about stocks, specifically dividend stocks, is if they're increasing revenue, they usually hike their dividend. The board of directors have a lot of confidence in hiking the dividend. So let's check that out. So I'm going to start in 2018. It's a quarterly dividend. It was 16 cents to 26 cents to 29 cents in 2019. Then 2020 was 30 cents, 2021 33 cents, 2022 36 cents, 2023 42 cents. The dividend growth in 5 years is 8.45%. Now you're going to see a high payout ratio. You're going to see that normally with REITs. And let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. So if you bought 1 share, you made $166 with a 5.81% dividend yield, but the dividend growth in 5 years is 8.45%. So when I look at dividend stocks, I look at dividend growth in 5 years. That's very important. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 5. So again, this is something that's cheap. This is something that I'm capitalizing on, and I've been buying them like crazy. So let's check the next dividend stock. Pfizer is another one that I like to capitalize on, especially with its drop in the past 5 years. It had a lot of hype, and then it dropped significantly, and they bring a lot of products to the table. I mean, I see their Pfizer logo everywhere in the hospitals, whether it's Cardizem, which people that have high heart rates or AFib, Cardizem is one of their medications, a Cardizem drip. You see the Pfizer logo right there. You see the Pfizer logo on a lot of products. Dividend yield is 5.48%, a PE ratio of 16.42, Average volume 31.05 million. The market cap is 168.94 billion US dollars. Year range is 28.93 to 54.93. Day range is 29.74 to 30.01. Previous close is 29.78. So the revenue trends and dividend history are nice. And, it had a nice jump because of the COVID vaccine, and less people are taking the COVID vaccine. This research and statistics prove that. So they still have the COVID vaccine out there, which is the research has shown as being effective, but also the research is showing that natural immunity is there. So a lot of people have had the shot. A lot of people have been exposed to the bug. And hopefully, it's not as lethal as it was before percentage-wise. So, the vaccine did its job. So the goal of the vaccine was to prevent deaths and reduce hospitalization rates. And the research has proven that as well. So they bring that to the table. But again, and they have Paxlovid, which is an antiviral like COVID medication that people take if they're infected. But just all the things they bring on the table, antibiotics and psych meds, anti-anxiety meds, they bring a lot to the table. So we're going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history. Their price per share is down, but their revenue's increasing a lot. I'll maybe even say almost exponentially, because I thought about saying it, but I'll just say somewhat exponentially increasing. So annually in millions US dollars, 2016, 52,824, 2017, 52,546, 2018, it's down 40,825, then 2019, it's down 40,905, 2020, it's up 41,651. It sounds like it's going bad, and then all of a sudden 2021, 81,288, and then 2022, 100,330. This is annually in millions US dollars. So these guys are a cheap dividend stock, and they're a juggernaut producing revenue. And we'll jump to their dividend history. So the dividend history of Pfizer is a little slow, but still, you're getting nice dividend hikes. So I'll start in 2011. It's a quarterly dividend, 20 cents, 2012, 22 cents, 2013, 24 cents, 2014, 26 cents, 2015, 28 cents, 2016, 30 cents, 2017, 32 cents, 2018, 34 cents, 2019, 36 cents, 2020, 38 cents, 2021, 39 cents, 2022, 40 cents, 2023, 41 cents. So their payout ratio is 57%. That's not bad. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.45%. So if you bought one share, you made 164 with a 5.48% dividend yield. So again, looking at the price, it's $29.92. That's a pretty attractive price and dividend. So let's jump to the final dividend stock. And I just went over them again, but I'm going to reiterate and validate my decision for buying them again. Saratoga Investment Corp. SAR is the symbol. It's sitting at 25.69. PE ratio of 9.33. Average volume 73.33K. Market cap is 336.92 million US dollars. Year range is 2263 to 2887. Day range is 2554 to 2575. Previous close is 2556. So what makes them so special as a business development company? We're going to jump to their revenue trends and dividend history. So check out their recent annual trends. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2019, 47, 2020, 58, 2021, 57. Blame the pandemic right there. 2022, 70, 74, and then 2023, 99, almost at 100. So that's very attractive as a business development company. Remember, 90% of what they make go back to investors. That's very attractive. Let's jump to their dividend history. And I'm going to start in 2016 with them. So it's a quarterly dividend. Business development company. It was 44 cents, 2017, 45 cents to 46 cents, 2017, 47 cents to 48 cents to 49 cents. 2018, 50 cents to 51 cents to 52 cents. 2019, 53 cents to 54 to 55 to 56 cents. 2020, 56 cents. And then right here, it jumped to 40 cents. You can see, you can blame the pandemic right here. So watch. In February 2020, it was 56 cents, and then it jumped to 68 cents in January 2023 to 69 cents in March 2023, then to 70 cents in June 2023, and then in September, 71 cents, and then the most recent announcement, December, 72 cents. So the payout ratio is going to be high. It's a business development company. 72 cents, that's very nice. So if you bought one share, you made 284 with an 11.05% dividend yield. Dividend growth in 5 years is 4.73%. Now, the high yielders, there is a risk with investing in them. So I just want to be clear with that. Their dividend increases in the last 5 years is 16. That's fantastic. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos of the 3 dividend stocks. Which one do you like the most? So you guys take care. Have a great Sunday, and I will have a video for you on Monday. And guess what? I'm going to do a podcast with Harris, or One Penny at a Time. Him, myself, Russ, and Ryan Williams have done numerous collaborations together. So very excited to be on his channel. I will post that link in the comment section with in the future with our interview and collaboration. It's going to be fun. So take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So it is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor, somebody to give that is certified to give financial advice. I am not certified to give financial advice. Therefore, this channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only. You can gain money, you can lose a lot of money investing in the stock market. So make sure you do your due diligence, make sure you do your research, and make sure you make a smart decision with your money. Take care and have a good one. And go Browns.